To remove an account restriction from Facebook, you will need to submit an appeal. And this is typically done in a computer or in a desktop. You can go to the search bar and then you want to tap on Facebook appeal like this, right? On here, you want to tap on this one, appeal a Facebook content decision to the oversight board. After that, you want to tap on request a review process. Now, on here, on request a review process, you will go ahead and go to another board here, right? Now, in here, you can see there will be a quick tutorial here on how you can review the process. You can request a review, right? If that doesn't work, usually because requesting a review process is a way that the Facebook will check again, but the checking again is not from a human, right? So if you find that that doesn't work, you can go back to the facebook.com help center here, click on this, scroll down, and then go to the oversight board website here. Now on this oversight board website here, you can directly appeal. So in here, you will have to write to your appeal. The board selects your appeals for review, and then the final section will be selected on appeals. You will need an active Facebook, a decision, and then a reference number. You can tap on this to start now, and then you can log in with one of your accounts here, and then you'll directly ask to appeal to Facebook. And usually this is faster and better than letting a machine review your account.